girl Shirley back with another video. So today's video is entirely different from all my previous videos, and I just wanted to give you guys different content. And before I just go jump right in, I just want to say to you guys, thank you for rocking with me thus far. It's only up from here. I appreciate you guys. Alright guys, so let's get back to this video. So now I'm basically on my way to my client, but before I'm going to make a stop. I'm going to run to the supermarket real quick, get some last minute things. And yeah, as you can see by the title, you guys will be coming with me for a couple of days. All right, let's go. Let's head in this rainy weather. Let's go. It's perfect weather, right? Alright guys, so my client basically wanted the pan-seared lamb chops, the creamy risotto, and the sauteed broccoli. So I did purchase a lot of the items already. I just wanted to get my last minute items so that way, you don't have to worry about, dish is missing something. So that's what I like to do. I like to do my shopping periodically where it's not in just one setting. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get the last minute stuff so we have no issues and no excuses, right? Alright guys, so now I'm going to search for the fresh flowers because this is the main reason why I go to the supermarket before, especially the day of. I do put it in the fridge, I'm not even going to lie to you guys, but it doesn't give you the same fresh look, and you want that fresh flowers. It just brings the appeal to the dish, so why not?
Arrived.
Alright guys, so as I was waiting for my room key to go upstairs, I just wanted to show you guys a preview of the lobby. It was people in there, so I didn't want to really video everyone, but it was really cute though. Alright guys, so here is where I'll be for the next couple of days, and I decided to show you guys the area that I'll be. And it's not my apartment, so I didn't want to show, the balcony, like open the actual door and show you guys because the view is it's like beautiful. Like honestly, this video doesn't do it any justice, but yeah, you get the point. But yeah, we're gonna zoom in right now and show you guys how beautiful it is. It's just so serene to be by water. I don't know why. I love it. But yeah, back to the importance of the video. Alright guys, I have everything laid out because for me it's easier. I can see better visually, so I just have like everything sorted out. I'm just showing you guys like step for step with this part. But some parts of the video, unfortunately, I didn't get some snippets. I was just like in a rush trying to get them their food, and it was just to be focused. I'm not really used to videoing while I'm cooking, so I apologize for that. But yeah, guys, I'm doing as best as possible to show you as much as I can. So each meal, I'll be cooking for 4 people. And I love you guys. If you guys are watching, you guys are great, man. No troubles at all. I will feed you guys any day of the week. Alright guys, so this was a complimentary drink that I made for them, and they just wanted a basic table setting and just good food. That's it. Cleaning up is a must. Like, it's just a must. When you're a private chef, it's something that you have to do. Alright guys, as you can see, it's still clean. You do see bottles here and there, but you have times when you have some clients that will leave stuff in the sink or on the table or on the island. It's up to user discretion to wash it or put it in a dishwasher. Okay, so on today's agenda, I made Tuscan creamy chicken and mashed potatoes and sauteed asparagus. Alright guys, so today this is a table setting again. Something simple, and I just did a complimentary drink, and voila, here you go. This is the final product for the day. Hey guys, look at me, I look a mess. Just finished cooking it up. But this is day 2. Yeah.
Yes, all you gotta do is say yes. Nothing on what you feel, baby, undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Nothing on what you feel, baby, undress you, baby.
So on today's menu, it was shrimp and grits. So let's get into how this shrimp looks like so scrumptious. Like honestly, each day I just try to bring as much flavors as I can. I gotta make my people, eat good. So yeah, guys, I was indecisive on this table setting because honestly, I didn't have much to work with. As I told you guys, my clients was just, they were really cool and they was just worrying about the food more so than the decorations. But I just always like to do a bit much, so I'm a little extra, of course. So yeah, I was indecisive though on either doing this table setting or the one after. All right, guys. So I want you guys to see how far up I am. And you see that rain? Look at that. Like, look at this. It's a beautiful view though, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm on the 35th floor. See all that traffic down there? The end of my day. And you see how people just riding on their boats, going about their business. Now I'm gonna show you down. Look at the DoubleTree, that's the hotel right there. Trying to go. Yeah. All right. You see that guitar right there? That's the Hard Rock Cafe. Yep. Yep. God is good, man. To allow these people to build these things, trust me. Anywho. Hey guys. My face greasy because all that bacon grease I just fried. Crazy. I look darker too. I need to start wearing sunscreen. Comment below if you guys wear sunscreen. I really don't, which I need to start too. But because my face is definitely darker than my body. Sad, but I love my blackness though. Melanin, period. Yeah, so home time. Look at my glasses all leaning. We're gonna fix it real quick. Big old windshields. This is what you call a windshield. Gotta get my wipers so I can wipe them down, you know what I'm saying? Good morning and welcome into day 4. So today I was rushing, guys. Sorry I didn't get any clips, but just wanted to show you the final product and they enjoyed it. Alright guys, so I was rushing for breakfast, but I decided to do more a detailed video after, in between, because they basically had an excursion to go on later that evening, so I didn't want to be late preparing dinner, so I made sure I started right immediately after breakfast. So as you can see here, I'm prepping my sweet potatoes. Then I just basically set the table and call it a day. I will add stuff later on in the video, you will see that, but I just wanted to, be proactive for dinner time. So this was the only day that I had to cook breakfast and dinner in one day. So basically, I just had to get some me time in between. Yeah. All right, guys. So I just entered the rooftop bar on the 9th floor because I had some time between takes to enjoy something for myself. So I was like, okay, let me check it out and see. And this decor is so beautiful. Look at this. Native American style. I don't know what that is, but it does its part, I guess. And then this is the little area before you get into the restaurant. It's also a pool up here as well. So it's little vibes in Hollywood, Florida.
I know guys are not make you know say anything when you do them must commend it. So anything when you do, I dey try to do I'm plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment, I want enjoy, I want.
All right, guys. So I'm just upstairs. This is acting a fool. My clients was in a room, so I didn't want to make too much noise. But as you can see, I'm here dancing with a Chardonnay bottle. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use to put in the drink, company drink for today. As you can see, my mushroom pizza in the corner in the cut. And yeah, I'm almost done for the day. I had some leftover Moscato, so I definitely mixed it with the Chardonnay for them.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands.